अच्छा, सो आज जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है, वर्कड एग्जांपल 6, तो उसमें हमारे पास ये एक फिगर गिवन है। उसमें हमें डिफरेंट एंगल्स दिए गए हैं कि दिस एंगल इज 40, दिस टोटल एंगल सी इज 96. वी नीड टू फाइंड दिस एंगल ए हियर, and this is angle E, which is 52 degree. So first of all, what we need to do is to draw straight lines which should be parallel to this line AB and EF. So what we did, we drew the parallel lines PQ here, the parallel line RS here. Clear? So now we can see that this angle B is now an interior angle. We can see that alternate angles, that this angle and this angle, these are alternate angles. Also this angle X and this angle Y, these two are also alternate angles. And we can say that this angle Z and this angle E are also alternate angles. And we know that alternate angles are equal to each other. So because these two angles, angle B and angle W, are equal to each other, so the value of W becomes 40 degree. We can write here that it becomes 40 degree. And if you want to find out the angle X, so we know that the total angle C is equal to angle X plus angle W, and C is 92 degree. So it becomes an X is unknown plus W is 40 degree. We can write C equals to W plus X. C is 92 degree and W is 40 degree and X is X. So X equals to 92 minus 40, and it becomes 56 degree. So X is 56 degree, so we can write W is 40 and X is 56. Also, when X equals to 56, so Y becomes also 56, because these two are interior angles. And this E is 52, so this angle Z becomes 52 as well, because angle Z and angle E are alternate angles. Now to find angle A, this becomes Y plus Z. So A becomes Y is 56 plus Z is 52. So A becomes 108 degree, and that is the answer to this question. Thank you.